Be Your Future Self Now is not your typical self-help book. It's a call to action, a blueprint for intentional transformation based on scientific research and the author's personal experiences. This book challenges readers to take control of their lives and create the future they want, rather than waiting for it to happen to them. It's a powerful reminder that we all have the ability to change our behavior, habits, and beliefs and create a better future for ourselves. Hemingway would have appreciated the boldness and urgency of this message, and readers will too. Be Your Future Self Now is a guide to intentional transformation, providing readers with a step-by-step process to create the life they want. The book is based on scientific research, and the authors draw on their own experiences to offer practical advice on how to change behavior, habits, and beliefs. They also provide tools to help readers identify their values and create a vision for their future selves. Hardy and Bernier's book is a powerful reminder that change is possible, and that we have the ability to create the life we want. Their research-based approach and practical advice make this book accessible to anyone, regardless of their experience with personal growth. However, the book could benefit from more diversity in the examples and perspectives offered. Be Your Future Self Now is a valuable addition to the self-help genre, particularly for those looking to create meaningful change in their lives. Hardy and Bernier's research-based approach and practical advice make this book a powerful tool for intentional transformation. I highly recommend this book to anyone looking to create a better future for themselves. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.